So I've been away for ages. I was in Adelaide, so you should have noticed with the videos of racing at Hobby Habit, and I've got a whole heap of stuff waiting for me. Picked it up from the post office. We'll have a look and see what we've got here. This has come from Japan. Pretty old actually. Well, sort of. Not really old. It is an AUTOart Lamborghini. To go with the Muras for the Countach. I've always wanted to get one of these. Now that Scalextric have their own version, I really wanted to get one. I might get a Scalextric one. Oh, the box is a bit damaged. It's a bit disappointing. Should be able to fix that. Yeah, the box has a couple of tears. That's a bit disappointing. So whoever opened it in the past was a bit overzealous. Damaged the box. Might be able to do a bit of a repair there. I don't know. Can be quite difficult getting these boxes open. Oh, well, these came in white and red. Obviously this is a red one. So can't see any serial number. That's one of the things that's been waiting for me to get back from Adelaide. There'll be some other stuff too. And I'll see you in the next video.